What's up, guys? Welcome back! In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert your TikTok PayLater credit into GCash. A lot of people think you can't cash out PayLater, but with this method, you actually can. Here's how it works. First, open the TikTok app and head over to the TikTok shop. In the search bar, look for GCash load, prepaid load, or e-wallet vouchers. You'll see plenty of sellers offering them. Just make sure to choose a seller with good reviews, so you don't get scammed next. Pick the amount you want to cash out. At checkout, choose PayLater as your payment option. Once you confirm your purchase, the seller will either send you a GCash top-up directly into your wallet or give you a voucher code. If it's direct load, the balance will appear in your GCash account almost instantly. If it's a voucher, just copy the code, open the GCash app, and redeem it inside Dot after that. Check your GCash balance, and boom, your TikTok PayLater funds are now cash in your GCash wallet. Just keep in mind, you're still responsible for paying your TikTok PayLater bill when it's due. So don't forget that part. That's it. You've successfully turned TikTok PayLater into GCash. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe for more money hacks, and comment below if you want me to cover more TikTok tricks like this.